We just wanted to shine, now we up on our grind. Couldn't go out to parties, a nigga ain't had the time. We just wanted some money, now we getting the hoes. Screaming out gang, gang, getting a party with my bros. It's gang, 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 I do it with my woes. Couldn't saw you to shine, and we out here on our grind. Couldn't go out to parties, too busy chasing them dimes. Now that I'm getting paper, I can flex on all these haters. Hold up, let me talk these.
Stop at the end, Nala. All right, go get on the sidewalk. Y'all going faster than me, like I'm heavy or something. What it is? Yeah. Stop at the end, Nala. Turn to your right. Yeah. Alright, stop at the end. Alright, go. Ain't nothing coming, go. Whoa. Alright, stop. Stop before you get to the ramp at the end. Huh? Go, 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 go. They pulling away from me, y'all. My boy wide open. Y'all leaving me. This thing's slow. I'm on your tail. Come here, woman. Come here, woman. Come here. Ew. Ah. Ooh, they got a flat tire. What they doing? Them people look like they were swerving. Go, Scooby, go. Go, Scooby, go. Go, Scooby, go. Go! Alright, stop right now. This thing drain you out now.
We just saw you turn. 49 cents a minute.
Imagine we had these in Atlanta.
The vibration make your butt itch.
Mm-hmm. Y'all having fun?
Your butt don't hurt on it.
Come on, go! Go, thing, go! What? Turn. Mark, set, go. You better sit down before you fall. Come on, Newt. Come on, Newt. You gonna beat me? 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 Man, he might beat me. He beat me. Ah! You cheated. He swore he did like this in front of me like that.
You can ride this. Huh? Huh? No, I'm saying if you want to ride this one.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to take my old batteries and put it in that
Yeah,
one.
because if his battery ain't lasting that long,
I'll take it apart
he
tomorrow.
ain't even really ride nowhere. I mean, we did go along, you know, but it still should be lasting.
Yeah, cause mine rolled all the way around town and rolled the main house.
Okay. Okay. Let me see some. Let me see some.
I'm gonna put my swing arm on that one so that way I can adjust to make it lower. Or I might take his frame and give him my frame.
Every time, this has scratched my leg. I don't.
Let me see some.
Big Benz. Or all the famous.
Yeah, BMW. Let me crank up that.
Your thing gonna go there.
How?
Magnet fishing.
Maggot fishing.
Yeah, with a magnet.
Oh, magnets.
You throw it in the water.
Oh yeah.
That's get rich with
Y'all left me.
Yeah, because you said I did it. I did it.
I should have got that gas bite.
Mommy said don't get him. Let me try. Go ahead. But mommy said don't go get them. It's somebody
Make sure the tire don't go flat.
No, don't pick them out.
No.
Ew, now you probably got somebody to see. Look, Daddy. Look at my.
Pick your feet up, son. You gonna.
Mommy.
Which way you wanna go?
Mommy, I went to the rock wood. I went to the wrong wood and I lost.
South what? Yeah.
Yeah, go say. Hey.
It don't have no strong pedals. Like it's soft. Oh. All right. Stay behind me. All right, stop. All right, stop. Stop, Prince.
I see a go-kart.
Go get on the sidewalk. Go. Go. Well, let's go to North Murphy Beach tomorrow. Go for that application.
Slow down. Nobody counting, y'all. Stop at my crew.
Right. That's what I was doing. All right, stop at the end, PJ. All right, go across.